All right, everyone, a quick update on Turbo here. So what we're going to do is go to the 12-hour chart here just to give you guys some smaller prices to watch to see if this thing's going to remain up here and bullish in the short term to push higher. We are sitting right back above the 382 at 6.5 here, currently at 6.6. So if you stay over 6.5, you can see you need to push back over 7.6 here, and then maybe that's going to indicate that you're going to push through that macro 1272 where we got stuck at. Now we'll zoom back out to the weekly chart in just a moment. So watch 6.5, and if you take that out, 5.7 is your last defense here. If not, you're going to drop back down to our macro 236, our green line here. So just remember those prices. We could also even draw here on the chart after this little strong move up. You could be forming on these smaller time frames, as you can see here, a very bullish triangle pattern. So that could be the case. So as of right now, it's still up here. It's still holding, trying to hold on, that is. So let's go back out to the weekly chart here and get these off and just keep it simple. If you're looking at this thing on the macro scale, we do have two support levels to watch here. As long as you're over the high at 003, I would consider Turbo bullish here. And then this green line here is going from below to the high, the 236 support area. So if you come back down to the 0047 area, you may end up dropping, as you can see here, about 27-28% here and still be considered macro extremely bullish to move right back up. Now, a healthy market structure for Turbo would be nothing out of the ordinary here for this thing after the breakout to come all the way back down to back test the high here at 003 for support, and then at some point move up from there. So just keep that in mind. So you could drop 30% if you go lower than those prices we looked at on the smaller time frame, and you could drop 50% down and back test that high there and ultimately be still considered macro bullish here. Now, as for how high Turbo is going to go, we do have that $1 billion market cap here. Once we get through the 1272 up to the 1414 at a penny and a half, and we'll just measure this real quick. Going from where we are right now, that's a move up of about 127%. And then if we're going to hit that $5 billion market cap that people were calling for, that takes us up to about 8 pennies and about a 12x on Turbo up to a $5 billion market cap. And if it goes higher, all you can say at that point is congrats, because there is people calling for a dollar Turbo now. And you can see that if this thing only makes it up to about 41 pennies, that's going to give you a massive $26 billion market cap on this thing, which would be nice. Don't get me wrong here. And from today, that would be a move up of about 61x here on Turbo. So not bad. Decent move there. So with that said, what are your thoughts on Turbo right now? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.